Hi, James Jones from the Mid-Pacific ICT Center in San Francisco at our 2012 ICT Educator Conference with Nic Xenos from Juniper Networks. Thanks for being here.
Hey, my pleasure.
So remind anyone who doesn't know what Juniper Networks is all about.
Okay, well, we're a leader in high-performance networking, hardware and software, and we continue to grow the market and become a more significant presence in the industry in allowing high-speed data communications and networking in general. Our mission being to connect everyone and empower. That's what we're about.
Great. So routing and switching, I guess originally very successful inside the cloud with internet service providers,
Right.
And now growing rapidly in the enterprise space.
That's
with a
correct.
whole suite of products and services. But your role is with the Academic Alliance.
That's
so
correct.
Tell us about the Academic Alliance.
Okay. As we move into the enterprise arena, we've taken the power and if you will, the complexity of those big iron, as we call it, systems, and we've moved them into smaller boxes. So the enterprise and the smaller businesses that were traditionally not in our space get to benefit from all that functionality and the security and all of that robustness that we provide in our products. So as a result, we require more engineers. We require more administrators. We require more knowledge of our products in the industry, and that's what the Academic Alliance is about. We have a commercial training channel as well through our authorized education partners, but this is really our give back to the community, and it's a way we can enable the students to learn what they need to at a reasonable price. A lot of the resources that we provide are free, so the community colleges get to benefit from that, and they come out being more productive and prepared to be empowered employees and give back to the community as they advance in their own career. So we're very excited about this, and our program is very flexible. And we can engage with the community colleges in either just including some of the technology in the current networking programs that are there, or lead the students towards certification, which will certainly give them that badge, if you will, that shows that they know what they're doing.
So Juniper solutions are widely deployed out there in reality. We need a workforce that can work with those solutions.
More so, yeah.
Juniper is trying to help public educational institutions develop that workforce. You've got educator resources that include curriculum and books, and
Absolutely.
you've got a lab solution as well.
Yes, we do. We announced that last year, and actually you guys saw it first. Our Junisphere classroom environment is our virtual routers in the cloud. And so you can run anything from 1 to several hundred instances of of those routers that run the same Junos code that you would find in any of our boxes. So that makes it very, very powerful from an academic point of view. Just to show the breadth of it, we actually had one of our Academic Alliance partners in the UK ran it 250 simultaneous instances in a big networking topology where students were in the classroom and also remotely connected to finish that classroom exercise.
Wow.
We export this, and that's actually something that's a benefit to our Academic Alliance partners. The curriculum that we provide that would lead them eventually towards certification opportunities have links and configurations into this environment so they can take it in class and also then go home and study and log right back into it so they can do their homework. So it's really, really powerful. It's not a simulation, and we're super, super excited about that, and continue to add functionality and flexible options for our community college partners.
Wow, that is way cool.
Very exciting.
Yeah. So what that means to a teacher, if you're interested in teaching these Juniper materials, is Juniper will help you get up to speed on it, and you don't have to buy and deploy and manage the gear that provides the lab experience for your students, because that hands-on real-world experience is critical.
Absolutely.
So there's this hosted environment that you can take advantage of that scales massively and works flawlessly and is way cool.
It's very, very exciting, and looking at some of the initiatives that you do with MPICT, the cross-college collaboration, we really see that this could be a benefit to you. You could have a technical instructor or one of the faculty members providing a class in one of the colleges, and then offer that to some of the remote colleges or other colleges that would not necessarily have the opportunity to be able to present that in their own environment.
I'm glad you brought that up, because we've actually done that twice now, where we've had an instructor at one college that has offered a Juniper class to students anywhere.
Right.
So you blow the walls out of the classroom,
Absolutely.
and you offer that instruction to those who want to show up in the physical classroom, but also to those who want to show up on the internet in real time. It's all archived, it's all saved, so you can come back and review it later. And you can integrate in that remote access to real-world experience with real gear,
Absolutely.
real code,
Absolutely.
which is what makes you relevant, what
Yes.
makes you employable.
Well, it's very important these days, as our customer base grows and as we expand into the industry. I think this collaboration between the community colleges and MPICT that drives a lot of this will enable the students to find the employers and to support them appropriately.
Great. Well, appreciate you being here and the ongoing collaborative relationship we've got. I mean, we're both passionate about improving
Absolutely.
ICT education, improving ICT workforce. There's lots of good jobs out there right now today in this bad economy. We need to help people get in them.
Agreed.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Pleasure to be